All right, guys, we're live. We're back on cryptocurrency theory, and we're back starting our DGen portfolio, guys. So if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel, go ahead and subscribe to us, guys. Love to have you part of this channel, growing crypto and just talking about crypto in general. So we're starting our portfolio today, guys. Like I told you, looks like I ran into a little bit of some money here. I've been doing some things here, and sometimes things work out, sometimes they don't, but what we're going to be doing, guys, is we're going to be starting a portfolio on the channel. All right. We talked about this. You guys got the update. So now we're going to start it. So we're not waiting until tomorrow. We're actually starting it right now on the channel. So, guys, I told you guys I'm going to be signed up with Gemini and Robinhood for now. That might change later on, but for right now, we're doing a DGen kind of start because it makes sense. I can, move some of this stuff off the exchange, that kind of thing. So guys, let's do a purchase. Let's look what we want to do. So my first main objective here, guys, of what I'm doing, not financial advice. What we're doing is I'm going to buy some cryptos that I can move around. All right, we'll walk you through how to set up a wallet. We'll walk you through, some of the safety precautions you can do to guard your crypto. But first, what I want to tell you guys to do is first I need to be able to find some coins that have wallet support a lot of places. So what's on Gemini that has that? I know Bitcoin Cash. I know Zcash is on there. Other than that, I don't really know. So let's take a peek. I haven't been buying coins here. I mean, I kind of have, but not really. Let's look at some coins here, guys. Let's look at some coins. What do I want to buy? Let's look here. All right. I want to buy a few different coins, guys. I want to keep it a little bit, a little bit clear here. I do want to, buy a certain amount of coins, that I think will do good, guys. So we'll do, let's put a few on the radar here. Zcash, Bitcoin Cash, obviously. We're going to buy some of those, and let's see what else coins. I don't really see anything else that is super exciting on Gemini. So for now, we'll just kind of keep it, we'll kind of keep it kind of plain, right? We'll kind of keep it kind of basic here. We'll go for big market cap stuff. We'll go for big market cap in the realm of crypto, and then we'll just kind of go from there. So guys, I've been talking about gold hitting an all-time high. It looks like the token obviously is going right along with the path of gold. All right, so let's do this, guys. Let's buy some stuff. Just want to get a quick little update on what's on here. Let's do. Okay, I think I got it. I think I understand. I think I know what I'm going to do. So I'm going to buy some. I'm going to buy some crypto. I'm going to buy some Bitcoin Cash. Let's go ahead and buy some Bitcoin Cash first. I do want to buy some. So what do you want to do? Let's do a pretty good sized purchase, just because we're starting this portfolio. Let's make it eventful. Obviously, not every single purchase is going to be this big, but let's just check it out. Let's see what we can do here. So let's do $150. Is that cool? Actually, let's find opportunity elsewhere. I've been talking about Zcash. Let's keep Bitcoin Cash at $100. Let's buy $100. Should I do? I'm not going to do a. I'm just going to buy it one time. I'm just going to buy it for market price, guys. It's not the end of the world if I spend a couple bucks extra, right? It is what it is. I'm not going to go here and try to set a limit order. We're not going to be confusing. We're just going to buy this stuff. This is a a DGen portfolio, nonetheless. So let's buy $100 worth of Bitcoin Cash. Let's do that. So we got that going. We got Bitcoin Cash. We just bought $100, $100 US. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's zoom back here to Zcash, and let's take the bet up on Zcash a little bit. Let's do. What do we think here? Let's see Zcash. Where are you at, Zcash? So we bought $100 worth of Zcash. Let's buy some Zcash. Let's do some of this. Let's do some of this. Let's do some of that. Let's buy 220. Let's up it a little bit, right? Let's buy 220. Let's do that. Let's buy that. We just bought Zcash. So we got a good bit of Zcash, 9.58. We'll see how it does. Again, we're going to be building this out on the channel. You guys are going to see. And let's take a look at a few other little DGen plays, right? Let's look at a few coins that I think might be worth us looking at here, just for shits and giggles. So let's see. There's my portfolio. Obviously, guys, it's going to take a few days till I can move these coins off, but obviously, when it gets to that point, we'll go ahead and do that, guys. We'll move it off the exchange to a wallet. And I'll even throw the wallet in there. So if you guys are holding the same coins, you can send me some coins if you want, or send me some whatever you want. So let's buy some other coins. Let's see what we got here. Let's buy, there's Ethereum Classic on here. I didn't see it on here. You know what, guys? Let's do something a little bit different here. I'm gonna buy some Ethereum Classic on Robinhood. Okay, let's go ahead and just let's do this. Let's just set you up here, guys. And a lot of the reason, you know, we're buying crypto on Robinhood too is because there's obviously you know, a little bit more options, right? It's giving us a little bit more options. So let's buy some crypto from Robinhood. It looks like it's not gonna let me hook up the phone while I'm streaming. I guess it doesn't have that capability here, unfortunately. So let me make sure Ethereum Classic is not on here. I didn't see it on here. Let's just double check. There's quite a few coins. So see if ETC, yeah, it looks like ETC is not on here. I want to buy a little bit of Ethereum Classic, guys. So you're just gonna have to, you know, let's do this. Let's buy an Ethereum Classic. Let's buy a full token, right? So let's buy a full token, $25. Okay. I don't know if this is going to give me immediate trading though. If it doesn't, we'll find another place. So let me just see if I can do this. I think we might be running into a problem that will be only fixed by if this gives me the amount of money to trade. Instant transfer. Okay, we're gonna try it. Actually, we're gonna go up to. I'm gonna deposit. We'll say $27. That'll give me enough for a full token, Ethereum Classic token. What is this? So okay, instant transfer. Okay, landed 10 minutes. Okay, let's see if that works. So it looks like it works. Landed 10 minutes. Fuck, I don't really want to wait even that long, honestly. Let's see if I got buying power. Yeah, none available, unfortunately. I'm trying to figure out, guys, what should we do here? Should we do another play here? Let me double check here on the, got Litecoin. I don't really want to buy any of these coins, honestly. Tezos is on here. Maybe I'll buy some Tezos. Guys, so we're gonna follow through on this Ethereum Classic purchase. I'm gonna get it from Robinhood, so obviously we'll update it. You know, I'll just remember what we'll do is we'll buy the crypto, and then obviously I'll send it off to a wallet afterwards, right? And then we can kind of monitor the wallet rather than you'll see the purchases. Obviously, I'll be telling you when I'm purchasing. It's a kind of a big deal for me when I make the purchase, so we'll do that. So guys, I got a Ethereum Classic purchase. I'll buy it at market price today. You know, I won't even try to set a limit order. I'll just buy market price today. And if there's anything that changes with me not getting the money, it says within 10 minutes. But we'll go ahead and just proceed with the video. So I bought a little bit of Ethereum Classic. I bought a full token. I bought about $100 worth of Bitcoin Cash USD. And then I also bought some Zcash, right? I got about 10 Zcash, which honestly I feel pretty good about considering where Zcash is in price. You know, and I scooped up a little bit of Bitcoin Cash. I had to pay some bills and stuff. So kind of trying to make up some of that. And basically, guys, we're going to move on with a portfolio. So that's pretty much the update for today. We'll see what we do tomorrow, see what we do in the next couple days. But basically, you know, we're not wasting any time buying this stuff, guys. I told you we're going to be diving into this stuff. And basically, that's exactly what we're going to do. So keep in mind, guys, this is not financial advice, but this is what I'm doing. So it's just that. It's just me building out my own portfolio and kind of being transparent with what I'm doing and how to build out a portfolio in terms of some of the basic guidelines you would go through. Like right now, I'm on the exchange here. So we'll make another update, guys. Feeling stoked about this portfolio thing. So I might add some gold stablecoin because I am bullish on gold. Go back and watch the video, guys. So we'll catch you soon. Take care.